Hello, my name is Harshdeep Singh. Today I'm interviewing my friend Simran about the life he enjoyed in Edmonton. So, yeah, what about thank you for giving your time today, Simran, and what about your journey you want to tell me about in Edmonton you are living?
First of all, thanks for having me here as an interview. I would like to love to attend like interviews, having friends together.
That's good.
So about the Edmonton, this city is actually very good, and there are some things good and some things are bad.
Oh, that's you can quite explain me about the good and bad things you are
Yeah,
experienced.
I can give you an idea. So
Okay.
like the best thing I would usually do is like spending some time with my friends and family.
Okay.
And the bad thing, really, the worst thing I would say is the weather. It's unpredictable, you know.
Okay, the weather. Yeah, that's quite a good point about the things you like, good and bad. So you can elaborate me the good points, like what you sort of things or activity you do with your friends and family in Edmonton.
Actually, it's all about if you have like a lot of friends with you, you're gonna have a very good time, right?
Okay.
So whenever I am with my friends, we always like to visit places like recreation centers or rec room.
Okay.
So these are places to visit here. There are a lot of activities to do, physical activities to virtual activities, I would say.
Okay. So you can explain me what sort of activities you do in the recreation center or rec room.
Recreation. Let's start with the recreation center.
Okay.
Actually, speaking of recreation center, there are activities like table tennis, basketball, like sports. Do you like sports?
Yeah, I love to. Yeah.
And there are swimming pools and
Okay.
gyms as well. So you know, if you are, I have my friends and they are a little taller than me and
Okay.
they are muscular.
Okay.
So they usually like somehow. Um, Get me to the gym
Okay.
department, and
Okay.
that's a very interesting part, so that I
Okay.
can get my muscles
That
pumped
sounds
up.
great to having exercise and make your lifestyle good and have a fit body. And so one more thing I want to ask you that what is your favorite activity to do in that part?
Yeah, favorite activity.
Yeah.
Actually, the favorite activity I do it's the table tennis.
Okay, table tennis.
So
A good sport.
that's actually very interesting.
Okay.
Last time I remember I was at West Edmonton Mall. There's a
Okay.
rec room in there, so
Okay.
we were playing table tennis, and actually. That's my favorite game to play. Actually, I
Okay.
win all the time I play.
Okay.
So it's like whichever activity you are good at, you would like to do that.
Okay, okay. That's make it sounds great that you are like to love to play at table tennis at the, and you are the champion I think so about the
Oh
table
no,
tennis.
I'm not a perfect bro.
Okay.
I'm not a champion. I would
Ah.
say I'm good enough to play.
Okay. So, apart from that activities, what are some other things you would like to do with your friends and family when you in the life you live in Edmonton till now?
Actually, yeah. So apart from table tennis, there are actually a lot of things to do.
Okay.
Okay, so if you have ever visited a rec room,
Okay.
it's like it's got a lot of games to play.
Okay.
There are actually virtual glasses that you can put on your eyes and
Okay.
experience the virtual world with your
Okay.
friend.
Okay.
It's kind of very like activity you can do, like a game to play.
Okay. Well, I think so. That's a great experience. I would also take when I will visit to rec room now.
You should.
Yeah,
Should
that's
go,
a,
yeah.
sounds good. And what thing do you like or do you love a best in the place when you came to Edmonton? Which is the best thing you love?
So. I think it's actually very common here. These traffic rules and all other rules people obey all the time.
Okay.
The country I came from. Look, I don't want to say my country is not good.
Okay.
The country is good.
Yeah.
Actually, the people just sometimes don't follow the rules.
Oh,
That's why sometimes you can get a bad feeling.
Okay.
But here, I like the rules people follow, and rules make them like
Discipline.
a disciplined people. Yeah,
Okay.
disciplined people, and you will you'll feel yourself very safe here. That's
Okay.
why.
So that in the former starting part of the interview, you tell about the weather that you don't
Yeah,
like
yeah.
the weather. Why you?
So,
Can you explain me more about the weather?
Weather, the worst part ever here in Edmonton. Actually, it's unpredictable, my
Okay.
friend. So just after winter, um, you'll think now it's gonna get a spring or
Yeah.
summer pretty soon,
Yeah.
but the time you're gonna get that feeling, next day, it's gonna be snow again.
Okay.
This is the worst part.
Okay. So, which is your words, or I can say which season
Which
you think
season?
you don't love the most?
Look. Okay, so I don't. The season I don't like the most. It's it's a winter here
Oh, that.
because this city is located in the very northern part of this country and
Yeah.
earth. That's why it gets a very snow.
Yeah.
Even the temperature gets below than the negative 40 degrees sometimes feels like, and that's the worst part ever.
So, in the worst part, I think so. Just you worst season of your. What sort of things you do to make yourself happy or make your mind cool?
Simply, I just don't go out sometimes. I just like stay in my room and play some video games on my laptop and online games. You can
Okay.
make a lot of friends online playing on
Yeah,
games.
that's a socializing
And,
things you are
yeah.
experiencing in winter.
But going outside, don't think about it. So
Oh, okay, that's a sort of thing.
it's something if you have something really important to do outside.
Okay.
That's the only thing you will go there. Okay.
Okay, so you think you are facing quite challenge about the thing you live in this season. So, what you think is the main challenge everyone face in this season?
Everyone, so people who are unemployed here,
Yeah.
even it's a winter or it's a summer, no matter what season, they will need to look for a job
Okay.
all the time,
Okay.
no matter the season.
Okay.
So they have to wrap up themselves with a lot of clothes just to warm themselves.
Okay.
And also when they are using public transit, sometimes you need to walk more than 10 minutes
Okay.
to visit a store, visit a single store at
Okay.
some point, and that's the challenging part because over here it's not easy to just walk more than 10 minutes in a very cold winters.
Okay. So, I want to ask you about the public transport, as you mentioned in your comment. What
Huh?
about the public transport? As you think that public transportation in Edmonton is quite good or not?
If you are daily commuter and you know your routes and all the things,
Okay.
you will get used to it.
Okay.
That wouldn't be a big problem.
Okay.
But however, if you are like going visiting a lot of places in the Edmonton,
Okay.
it is a bit challenging.
Okay. So one more thing I want to ask you. Apart from Edmonton, city of Edmonton, there is something outside of that you can go and explore the things.
Yeah.
Or you ever go there?
Yeah, I remember. So if you go to the west side of Edmonton, there's a small city.
Okay.
It's called a Spruce Grove.
Okay.
I don't know how to pronounce that city, but
no worries.
I know that.
Okay.
So I have actually been there before. That city is a little bit small city, but actually it's a very quiet and good city.
Okay. So what sort of things you love in that city?
In that city,
Yeah.
the roads are very good.
Okay.
Roads are actually very clean.
Okay.
They are very good, and you will see nothing is like no wrapper or anything is laying around over there.
We can say that
Everything is like
it is
well
a
clean.
cleanest city.
Cleaning city and beautiful city.
Okay, beautiful
Like
city.
it's like decorated with
Okay.
the flower pots on each traffic lights, things like that.
Okay. Okay.
Like it makes you feel very good.
That's make good and have a good phases about the city. And where else? I wonder that there are a lot of lakes in Alberta. Ever you visit any lake nearby?
No. I I have never visited any lake here.
Okay.
Actually, I wanted to visit once. It was actually in a winter time.
Okay.
My friend told me when it gets winter or when it gets cold outside, the lakes they got freezes.
Yeah.
So when they get freezes, you can just walk on them. I think that's actually I don't. Firstly, I didn't believe his words.
Okay.
But when he showed his video walking on a lake,
Okay.
that's how I get feeling to visit or to do something like that.
Okay. So any lake you just you can mention me that you want to visit or it's on your wish list.
There is actually a lake that's on my wish list.
Yeah.
There is like if you go to the east side of Edmonton,
Okay.
southeast,
Okay.
there's Meadows,
Yeah.
like a small area
Okay.
in the city. You
Okay.
can call it suburban small area,
Okay.
Meadows.
Okay.
There are few lakes you can visit, and one lake that I remember that looks very good from a point. It's located like at 34th Street and 23rd Avenue.
Okay.
It's actually very good view there.
Okay.
And there are also some, there are also ways to walk and to take a look at the lake closely.
Okay.
Closely, yeah.
Okay.
That's a very good lake. There.
Okay. So that sounds good to have a fun activities and
I-
all that things
yeah.
you just visited nearby the places. So let me ask you a little bit thing. When you enter in the city of Edmonton, so from the time you until now, what sort of things you experience or you get or you now capable to do
Okay,
with the help of
okay.
the city?
So when I first came here, the very hard part to do so here was getting employment here.
Okay.
It's not a very, I mean, it's always hard for everyone.
Yeah.
It's not easy.
yeah,
so-
to come to a new city and get an employment.
Get an employment, and actually my experience was pretty good than others, I would say, because when I first came, after a week or so, I've got my first job, but that didn't last for a long time. But actually, I have earned enough to spend my another 2 months, without paying a lot of money on like rents and other expenses.
Okay.
And then the summer came,
Okay.
the summer came, then my experience was very good. I got employed at a Securitas. It's a
That sounds
security
good.
company,
That sounds
and
good.
we have attended a lot of Oilers games event.
Okay.
Those events I still remember. Those were the good memories of me,
Okay.
and I still remember. So like we were a group of security guards, and we patrol the area
Okay.
just to watch everything is okay or not.
Okay.
There's usually get a lot of crowd
Okay.
because they love their team. That's
Oh
why.
yeah, that's always a biggest part of Edmonton.
Yeah, this is the only thing I think mostly people like here.
Okay, so one more question, and what do you think about the Team Oiler? At it's the heart of Edmonton or not?
I would say, I can say it's the heart of Edmonton.
Okay.
Like whenever they win a game, the entire city, the people of city,
Okay.
they get very happy. They get very excited.
Okay.
Even over here, whenever the game just finished, they want to go home.
Okay.
So they honk their horns every time.
So that's make it
They,
good.
they sometimes I get bad feeling like, am I doing something wrong? Am I doing something wrong? Why are you honking? But they were happy.
That's make a good noise about they are cheering towards their team,
Team,
and
yeah.
and make a good supportive towards
Sportive.
their team.
Team, yeah.
Oh, that's now my closing question to you. So after knowing your experience, your good part or your bad part, what thing you want to change or tell to the government to bring some changes to make the city more valuable and more helpful
Yeah.
for people?
Actually, I have read the news not a long ago,
Okay.
a month ago, I guess. There was a lady at a public transit stop
Okay.
where the bus usually stop,
Okay.
and a person or a man came there, and I don't know what was the wrong with him.
Okay.
He's just grabbed the girl and forcefully did something, hit with the wall.
Okay.
And that's actually very worst part. It doesn't sound safe, right?
Yeah.
So this is safety and changing behavior, finding those people that are doing such bad things. I would say government must take a look, must do something, must take necessary actions against them, because if it's a safe city, people would like to live here. If
Okay.
it's not, people will go out.
Okay, so you think that safety is a concern you want to
Safety
change
is a
about
concern,
about
yeah.
the people? So
There must be more officers there. There
Okay.
must be more officers
Okay.
to see to watch everything what's going on.
Okay, okay.
So yeah, that's something government needs to take
Okay.
attention. Yeah.
So, thank you for a lot of things you explained me about the city of Edmonton, your good part, your concern about it, and make me quite good to have an innovative ideas to know about the things. And it was a great day with you to have an interview in you. Thank you for so much.
Thank
And
you, my
my
friend. It was nice time with you as
Okay,
well.
thank you, and
Yeah.
I will meet you again for a wonderful interview.
For sure, we'll
Okay.
meet again.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay.